Good morning, students. Welcome back. Online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NBGEI, AVM School, Geetapuram, Unnao. Class 11th. Subject Political Science, Chapter 1. Political Theory and an Introduction. Students, previous video I described you about the some important important points of this chapter, and today we continue our some important points. Some points are remain, so I describe you that points and then next topic of the chapter. Students, previous chapter I describe you that politics is a means of resolving conflict by negotiations and conciliations. And now next point is political theory deals with ideas and principles. Political theory deals with ideas and principles that shape constitutions, governments, and social life in a systematic manner. Students, study of political theory liberalizes the outlook of an individuals. Study of political theory liberalizes the outlook of an individuals and students. It helps in the growth of reasoning power. It helps in the growth of reasoning power in the minds of the individuals. And now, students, we start our topic of the chapter political theory. Students, what is a political theory? Students, to understand this meaning of the term political theory, we must first understand the meaning of the term theory. Students, the word theory has been derived from the Greek word theoria. Which means beholding, to see. But the famous Greek thinkers Plato and Aristotle used the word theoria to investigate and lay down those principles which can be explained scientifically, regionally, and systematically. Student, in the words of Arnold Bichette, theory comprises a thinker's entire teaching on a subject, including his description of the fact, his explanations, his conception of history, his value judgments, and his proposals of goals, of policy, and of principles. Okay, thank you.